what's up. So today we're going to be trying out the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Someone requested that I actually do this tryout review for you guys. So I went straight over to Ulta, picked this up, and here we are. So let's jump into it. Here's what it looks like outside of the box. On the back here, it says keep makeup in place with this clear gel primer full of skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid for skin that looks and feels its best. This is also a cruelty-free primer as well. Let's see if it holds up to what it says. Okay, so there is a pump. I love that. And yeah, let's just try this out. Okay, so it's a gel, like a liquid gel. And the consistency is a tad bit sticky, which can be good in a primer because it means everything's gonna stick to your face. You guys, look how sticky this primer is. I love that in a primer because it means everything's going to really stick to your face. It also does not have any kind of smell whatsoever. I am very curious though on how the makeup is going to sit on top of this primer because it almost feels like it could start rolling off at any second, which I am not a fan of. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so far so good. The foundation is laying down really nicely. I am going to finish my face off and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think. Okay, so I just finished my entire face. I'm already noticing on the sides of my nostrils that it's breaking a little bit, breaking my foundation up just a tad, which is not the most idealistic thing right now, considering I'm about to start back to work tonight. But yeah, I will see how the foundation holds up throughout my shift tonight and let you guys know at the end of this video. But yeah, it is also starting to break away right in here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's starting to break away right in here and on the nostrils of my nose. So we will see. I'll let you guys know. Other than that though, I think it really looks nice on the skin. My skin looks very hydrated, very just overall airbrushed kind of in a sense. I really like it underneath my makeup. It's just the whole breaking apart issue is kind of scaring me a little bit. I'm a little scared of what my face is gonna look like after my shift tonight. Okay, so in true Bria fashion, I got scatterbrained and forgot to come back on here and show you guys what my makeup looked like after my shift, but I did, however, the next day, wear the primer underneath my makeup again. This is after about 6 hours with this makeup on. I was about to wash my face for bed. As you can see, there is no breakage and my face is just a little bit oily, but that's nothing out of the norm. For this specific look, I used a different foundation, concealer, and setting powder than I did the day before and did not notice any breakage. So factor that in, that it might have been just the combination of those specific products with this primer. Maybe they just didn't mesh well. But for this specific look, I did not see any breakage. Well, that is it, you guys. If you have tried the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, let me know in the comments below how you liked it. And let me also know what product you think I should try next. Remember to live life in color, you guys. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.